Hi, I'm Danielle Garcia from Intuitive Angels. I'd like to talk to you about a 3-day workshop that I'm teaching coming up in February called Beyond Reiki, levels 1 through 3. Now, Reiki is this amazing healing modality. Reiki isn't about a healer healing other people through their own energy. It's about a healer learning how to channel universal life force energy. Now, that life force energy is chi, it's prana, it's light. So when I teach a class on Reiki, not only do I attune my students with the Reiki symbols so that they're able to harness this healing modality, I also teach them to respect that energy, to never push past a person's free will when they're working with other people. And it's also about that respect of their own boundaries. When you hold that vibration with that level of respect, with that level of understanding, the Reiki can flow so much easier. And it creates a beautiful harmony of light, of love, and of intention. In Reiki Level 1, the attunement will be passed, and each student will learn how to self-heal. They will learn different hand positions they will hold on the body so that they can channel this life force energy into themselves. When they receive their self-healing treatments, when they feel that amazing vibration coming through their hands, it's as if a wave of peace and calm and love and light just completely wash over them. And it's an amazing sight to behold. In Reiki Level 2, it's all about distance healing. Students will receive 3 symbols that they can utilize in giving others treatment one-to-one or sending healing from a distance, meaning that the person that they're sending their healing session to is not required to be in the same room with them. Imagine what can be accomplished with distance healing. You can send healing to someone all the way across the world. You can send healing to a situation. You can send healing to a loved one that's in a hospital 5,000 miles away. So many things are possible with learning this modality. In Reiki Level 3, students receive 2 additional symbols as well as their attunement, and they will learn how to pass those attunements to other people. Reiki Level 3 is master's level, so at the completion of Reiki Level 3, students are certified as Reiki masters to go forward and teach Reiki on their own. The beyond part of Beyond Reiki is combining shamanic techniques that I have been teaching for a while, and I have picked up along my over 20 years of doing energy work. In Reiki Level 3, we'll cover brain balancing and advanced brain work. In Reiki Level 2, we'll cover entity removal, removing that dark lower vibration of spirits, of earthbounds, of attachments from clients, friends, and family that may come in with a little ick stuck on them. And in Reiki Level 1, we'll learn about medical intuition, being able to see into that force field above the body, being able to read different organs within the body and how those organs respond to light, those organs respond to Reiki itself. This is going to be an information-packed weekend. 3 days. It's February 17th, 18th, and 19th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. We will be breaking for a 1-hour lunch break. Most everything that I teach is going to be hands-on. You'll have lots of time to practice. You'll have lots of time to ask questions. Now, what I'm offering as a special added bonus to this 3-day workshop is I will give you 30 days of online support through a closed group in Facebook. So if you're going through any of those energetic changes that can happen when these attunements are passed, you can shoot me a text, you can PM me, you can write it out on the Facebook group. Danielle, I'm having an issue with X, Y, and Z. What do I do? And I will respond to you. You know, I have been a seminar and spiritual workshop junkie for most of my life. And the thing that I didn't like was after taking a really, really great workshop, I would come home, be all charged up, be all hyped up about what it was that I learned, and then boom, I'd have a question. Or my confidence wasn't quite there yet, and I was a little unsure about how to incorporate this into my own healing practice. There was no one to ask. I had a book to refer to, I might have a video to refer to, but when I wanted that nitty-gritty question asked, I didn't have the support for it, and I really didn't like that. So, what I'm offering to you is 1 month of support. If you have personal questions about how your own energy is changing, if you are working with other clients, if you are practicing on friends and family, if you're doing a self-treatment and something just doesn't feel right, it's my job to support you. It's my job to hold your hand through that. I will tap in, I will give you my 2 cents on what it is, and we will work on it and we will figure it out together until you have that level of discernment, until you get that level of confidence. That is my job as a teacher. And I truly, truly love what I do. Not because it's about me, but it's because about sharing this wonderful modality with others. It's about watching other people open up to spirit, feel that light that they can channel in from source, and see the difference that it can make in this world. Now, if you're interested in this 3-day workshop, we're going to have a lot of fun, but it is going to be work for you. I will push you through things, not past your comfort level, but these attunements are not for the weak-minded. They will open you up. They will cause a release, but I will guarantee you that that release will make you bigger, better, and brighter than you were before. So if you're interested, make sure you sign up. Space is limited. We're already booking. People have already signed up. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me at Danielle@Intuitive or shoot me a text, 702-376-2726. This workshop will be held at my private residence. I'm located near Aliante Casino. You will receive the address once your payment is received and your seat is reserved.